Of course, animals can sense an earthquake before we do. This cat also felt it just before it happened. When the earthquake hit, all the animals started running in different directions. I hope none of them got hurt. This woman clearly had a grudge against the homeowner. She covered her face with a mask, but if the homeowner had seen her before, they would probably recognize her anyway. She came, damaged the property, and left. Do you think the homeowner recognized her? She takes some of the packages, but when that doesn't satisfy her, she comes back and takes the rest too, so casually.
What y'all doing?
These two thieves pull up in front of the door with their truck, but the homeowner doesn't miss a thing. As soon as they get out and approach the door, the homeowner asks what they're doing, and the men quickly leave.
Hello?
Does anyone actually understand what this guy is doing? It looks like he might be having some sort of episode or breakdown. I've never seen someone crawl to steal a package before. Congrats, that's some serious determination. He probably thinks the camera didn't catch him. Pathetic. This sweet woman looked adorably confused when she got stuck at the door. She's still trying to open it. Poor thing. Why isn't anyone opening the door for her?
Open it.
The wrong door. Go ahead.
This guy's a bike thief. He had his eyes on this bike and decided to take off with it. But the homeowner caught on and stopped him. Since his face had already been seen, he didn't run this time.
You know what, Jamie?
Instead, he tried to explain himself.
But that's a $700 bike I bought my son, so I don't know why you're trying to leave with it.
So this isn't Jamie's bike?
No.
Okay. I'm glad you caught me then. I'm sorry about that, man. I'm so tired of these guys here, man. Seriously, I apologize.
Yep. Have a good day.
You too, sir. God bless.
Oh, okay.
This woman hides a key under the doormat in front of the house. But she doesn't realize someone is watching her. After she leaves, someone comes by and takes the key from under the mat. Always remember to lock your car doors. I keep saying it. You just can't trust anyone these days, not even those closest to you. This delivery driver has no idea what surprise awaits. As he brings the package to the door, he finds that the thoughtful homeowner has left snacks and drinks for delivery workers. A heartwarming gesture. He easily opens the front door and grabs the packages. How did he open it so quickly? These guys have turned this into a professional operation. They're done in 2 minutes and gone. If you tried picking them one by one from the tree, it would take forever. They've definitely found the faster way. They keep kissing in front of the camera. I don't know if something's going on between them, but they're always doing it on camera and seem to be having fun.
Because you were. I was first of all laughing.
I know, but you
That lock? Lock it.
I'm trying.
Yeah, you just locked out.
Even though the elderly man moved slowly to sit down, it still didn't prevent him from falling.
I hope you do leave your copies.
While carrying the firewood, this clumsy guy tripped and fell onto the grass. Luckily, he landed head first on the lawn, so he's probably okay.
Damn, did I pull you? No, I hit the thing and I think my boot caught it.
There must be a lot of clumsy people out there. They're constantly falling. He probably tried to take something used for heating, but what were you even going to do with it? Even if you sold it, how much could it possibly be worth?
Hey, you can put that down.
These little kids love fishing as a family, and while they were at it, the little girl caught a fish on her line. Her reaction was so adorable. It was probably the biggest fish she's ever caught.
Oh my god.
Yeah. You sure don't have to put it in there?
This guy looks like just someone walking down the street, but when he noticed the package, he turned to grab it. When he heard a noise, he dropped it and ran away.
Can we help you?
No.
Hey, leave it there.
It's the first time I've seen someone greet their family like this. Wish everyone was this cheerful and positive.
Sorry, my girlfriend just got home. I'm trying to terrorize her.
No animal should be treated like this. Nobody wants mice in their home, but there has to be another way. Hopefully, if they catch a mouse, they release it somewhere else. That would be the right thing to do. I think the guy's a bit angry and about to steal a package, but he probably wants everyone to hear it. He's making so much noise, he doesn't seem to care at all. He took the big TV and walked away. Is it really that easy to steal people's hard work? This guy came to steal from the house, but nothing was open, not even the windows. When he couldn't find a way in, he had to leave and come back later. I don't fully understand what this guy is trying to do here. Another theft attempt. This guy tried to steal a bike but couldn't get it because of the lock. What kind of spying is this? Don't you think people around would notice? You're already caught on camera anyway. What were you so focused on to freeze like that? Who were you spying on?